Hey y'all, it's me, Mika, aka Monroe XO here, and I am back with a new video. I'm so excited because I never do hair videos anymore. Like, what is up? What is really good? But anyways, I'm back with another hair video. I'm super excited to be doing this because y'all, when I say I went from 0 to 100 in 10 minutes, yes honey, 10 minutes. You can do it too. $25 was for the wig. Everything. So anyways, I don't want to talk too much, but I do want to say, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Also, don't forget to thumbs this video up, because if y'all want to see more hair videos and tutorials and stuff like that, let me know below in the description box. As I always say, always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness, and I hope y'all enjoy this. Alright, so if I'm looking over here, it's because that's where my mirror is at. But anyway, so this is my hair. I just washed it and conditioned it. I didn't even deep condition today. I had it in a t-shirt, so it's just been drying and it's getting bigger the more I do with that. So I've been wearing it all week already, so it is out of the packaging, but it is a U-part wig. It is from Bobbi Boss. It's free parting, blend style effortlessly with natural hair. Yeah, so this is my first ever U-part wig. Let's go ahead and show you what she looked like. Now I have worn it all week, so she ain't gonna be as slick as she would, because I like to get volume in her when I first wear it, so I just kind of brush through the curls. But this is what the curls look like. And then she has 3 clips to go around your part that you leave out. Oh, and she also has a comb in the back. Now, the only thing about a U-part wig, I guess, for me is that I have a little head. So the fact that you're not clipping it on your whole head gives you a gap in the back. So it does have straps to tighten it. I still do feel like mine is... Y'all, I just noticed there's 2 more combs in here. Oh, okay, that might help me feel a little bit tighter. I've been doing it wrong all week. Whatever though. Let's go ahead and show y'all what I do.
All right, so first things first. You want to section off your U part. What I'm doing here is taking a little bit of my edges out as well, just because I want to, you know, do my little twisties. So I'm going to section a full U around the middle of my head and then just take out both of my edges. Once that's done, I'm just going to section off the front half. And just to make this easier, I'm going to do 1 big braid in the back. I don't do too much fuss when I'm doing my U part. It's no need. You don't have to do a whole bunch of little braids. Girl, just throw that thing on. Like I said, 10 minutes tops, so you're done. So yeah, that is what I do.
Okay, so once that's done and braided and out of the way, I'm gonna take this down now. The most important thing when you wear a wig and it has leave out is blending. So as you can see right now, if I put this on, this would not match this. So let's go ahead. Now, I like to choose my part. I kind of like it to be different each time, because I don't want my hair to get like used to a certain way. So today I'm gonna go this way and have my part in that way, and then that'll go back. So first, choose how you want your part. Now I like doing twisties when I wear a half wig, so I noticed that it works well with the U-part wig as well. Let's go ahead and comb that out. And now, today's video is sponsored by, no, I'm joking. This is the Eco Styler Gel Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Oil. This is going to be my 2nd time buying this one. I'm not 100% sure. This week I've been using Eco Styler Gel Argan Oil, and now when I went to go buy some more, it was all gone. So I'm a little mad about that, but we're going to try this out today, see how it works with this style, and go from there.
So I'm just going to take my spray bottle and wet my hair. You don't want to soak it too much, just because it'll make everything real wet. But what I'm going to do is spray my hair and then take a little bit of this Eco Styler Black Castor and Jamaican Oil. You know what it's called. Link below, description box. I got you. And just run that through my hair like I'm doing a normal wash and go. I don't get too fussy. I just want to make sure that the product is from root to tip and that it lays nicely when I decide to put my U-part on.
Okay, so once that is completed, I'm gonna snap on. So I move all my hair forward, as you can see. Yeah. I'm gonna flip this around. I'm going to hook the middle one first because I just feel like that works best for me. Then I'll come around to the side, hook that. Come around to this side, hook that. And I'm gonna try to attempt to use these clips in the back. Oh my god, that fits so much better. Oh, I'm so glad I did that. Oh no, those clips were in there, those combs. Okay, so, bam. As you can see, if my hair was dry, it would probably blend a little bit better, but today I'm going for some twisties. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover the rounded part. Ouch. And you might have to use your comb to do this part a little bit. Yeah. There we go, because you want to make sure all that is covered, girl. You don't want to be out there, oh, with your U-part showing. I can't believe this comb works. All right, so for my normal little look, my twisties, I'm gonna twist inward. And I'm gonna grab this hair as well, just so it blends better. And as I'm twisting, I just wanna grab as much as I can to cover and blend. And also what I'm trying to do is, let's get that a little bit better. Make sure that I'm trying to explain it. When I'm twisting, that I'm twisting under, so that way your hair blends in with this hair. Okay, so there's one side. Bam, done. And we'll fix these edges in a minute.
And then I just repeat the same thing on the other side. Like I said, ladies, this is super quick, super easy, and super fast if you're in a hurry to get out the house and you just need to be laid.
And we almost done. Then I like to, of course, just lay my edges a little bit better. They're not that bad, but I just feel like I want to lay them. So I'm not really sure how good this gel is with edges, as I've only used it for a wash and go. So we shall see when I come back and end the video. And then I'm just gonna wrap this, let my edges set, and I'll be back.
You don't know, but it's alright. Don't know, but it's alright. You don't know, but it's alright. Don't know, but it's alright. That's a real one in your reflection, without a follow, without a mention. That's a real one in your reflection, without a follow, without a mention.